Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the bleach funnel in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new bleach funnel. The bleach funnel shows the level of the bleach and allowing it to be dispensed into the washer at the appropriate time. The main reason for a bleach funnel to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place or is missing. Pull out the dispenser drawer. Press the locking tab down and remove the drawer completely. So first we're going to use the flat blade screwdriver and pry up this tab and put it down and pull on the funnel and then just using the flat blade screwdriver free it from the side tab over there. Right, that's the old one. This is the old bleach funnel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new bleach funnel on with the tube over the smaller tube inside the tub. Press it down to lock both sides. Slide the drawer in. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.